Hi, I'm a heating and plumbing expert from Trusted Plumbing and Heating, and today I'll help you answer a common question. How do you hide a water heater in your laundry room? If you have a visible water heater in your laundry room, you might feel like your space looks cluttered or unfinished. The good news is, there are smart and safe ways to cover it, and Trusted Plumbing and Heating is here to help. First, you can use a cabinet or custom wood enclosure. Just remember, any cover should allow good airflow and easy access for repairs. Or, for a simple DIY project, try a fabric curtain or folding screen. These can be matched to any decor, are easy to move, and keep things tidy. Some homeowners also use furniture like a bookshelf or storage bench to block their water heater from view. Always be careful not to crowd the heater or block important parts like pipes or vents. Most importantly, never trap heat or block key access panels, especially with a gas or electric water heater. Keeping things safe is our top priority. At Trusted Plumbing and Heating, we can help you plan and install the safest, smartest water heater cover for your laundry room. Give us a call. We're proud to put our expertise to work in your home. Thanks for watching. For more tips, visit our website or click the link to our full blog in the video description.